I'm working in this beautiful sweater, and I absolutely love this color combination. I never done any sweater like this with this technique and combining 3 different color. I using three strand at a time, two strand uh, of the red with another one, and another 3 strand, the combination of the red with this one, the purple one, and the other strand, and this just purple and the other strand. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm using this yarn. You see, 2 strands of this one with this one. That's the beginning. After I've done enough of the 2 red with this one, I change one of the strands of the red to a purple, and when I finish with these 3, I change the last strand of red to 2 purple, and then now I'm working with this color combination. This one don't have red, it's orange and purple and white, but somehow a blend amazing. I'm already looking at other yarns there that I can do some color combination, because I absolutely love this. I want to do more sweaters like this because I love it. I absolutely love it. It's turning out amazing. So I want to work, this is the back, I still have to do a little bit more. It'll be nice and straight. And for the front, I want to do a color, leaving it more open, that way I can create a nice color. So I will see how I do that, because usually I do my sweater nice and straight like this, and then I sew them in the shoulder, do the sleeve, and that's it. So this one I want to do a little bit more work in here, something more involved. So, and I will see if I have enough yarn to do the sleeve, because if not, I will do short sleeve, but I hope I will look in my stash to see if I have more of these ones, because I absolutely love it. So yes, an idea came to my mind. It's like my little light bulb go ding as I talk and as I work. Some ideas come, like crazy. And I was thinking, if I don't have enough to do the long sleeve like this, gradient like that, I will do it with 1 strand of each. That way the same thickness, but it will be a little bit more like that, this part in here. So I hope I have enough, but if not, I will do something to work with. So I absolutely love it. Just was looking around my stash, because there's so many color combinations that you can do to do these beautiful sweaters. Like for example, I was just looking at these ones here. You see those there where my finger is, with a combination of something like this that had those tones. It will look amazing. Something like this, for example, is gorgeous. I had this leftover yarn that's leftover of the leftover for this beautiful sweater. And look at this color combination. It's absolutely gorgeous. You see, this one is totally different, but it have these colors like that will look amazing. Even the entire sweater don't have to be 2 strands of each and change them. It can be the entire sweater like that. Sometimes I get stuck, with one idea and with color combination, but I always call Nora, a video call, or ask Phil, or I ask my sister that she lives here in Canada, in Nova Scotia, or Kimberly. Well, Kimberly a little less, because she's most of the time at work. She works in an old age home from Monday to Friday, and she only have the weekends to relax and to do her stuff. So I video call her, we chat, and we see each other sometime. Not as much as I would like, but she's very busy. Nora, on the other hand, she's here all the time, because I babysit Willie when she is at work and he's off from school. Saturdays he's here, and sometimes both of them come Sunday. We go out and like that. She have a little bit more flexibility with her time, because she's the manager at the store, and she have 2 days of the week off, and Wednesday and Sunday. So she try always to hang around with me. She's a little bit more close to me, always she being like that. So going to the topic again of the yarn, a color combination. You always can ask somebody if you don't know what color to combine, because you don't have to do exactly the same colors as I do. You don't have to use exactly the same yarn. You can combine different type of yarn, different texture, different type of yarn. For example, this one is a blend of it's already made of wool and acrylic, so you can grab a strand of wool and mix it with your acrylic yarn, because they already do when they build or they make the yarn already. Some of them they already come like that, so you can use any color combination. Just use your imagination. But it's really hard when you have a lot of yarn and you don't know, you know, it's a little bit of a have a pickle sometimes. But I absolutely love doing this. I absolutely love it, and you will be seeing me doing more stuff like this because this look amazing. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. And you don't have to use the two strand of each color. You can use one of one each color and do the entire thing like that with only 3 strands, the entire thing. It will look amazing as well. So I'm absolutely enjoying this, you can tell. I was thinking as well, grabbing all these leftover yarn that I have here, and for example, weighing, I will weigh them, and I will create 2 balls of each color. That way I have for the front and the back. And then I will find, not this one, something different, 2 yarn that will be always in the piece, plus the ones that I created the small ball. And for example, I will work with these 3. When I'm done with a little ball of this one, I will go with a little one at the next one, and so on, but always keeping 2 the same, and the third one, it will be the one changing, and it will look amazing for anything, for a blanket, for a sweater, for cardigans. It will look amazing. But you have to have the same amount for the front and the back and use the same color combination, because it will look really nice. These are ideas that are, and that way you use all your leftover yarn. I already have a beautiful sweater. It's a crochet leftover yarn sweater that I'm gonna leave the link here just in case you don't see that beautiful sweater. I had to find it and put it on to do a little short, that way everybody can see it. And I have a matching hat, easy to do, and it look amazing. And I have this one. This one is leftover yarn. This was done with the leftover that I have, that I still have some more leftover. so many things that you can do with them. And sometimes I create a cake. I wind them. I do a cake, and for with those you can do a blanket for Christmas. And I did one last year for Kimberly, a leftover yarn blanket. I just did it. I didn't record a tutorial or anything. I was doing that in my time of recording, watching TV. I did a beautiful blanket, and she absolutely loved it. Just entire with leftover yarn, and it look amazing. So many things that you can do with a leftover yarn. That way you can use them all, because I have a lot, you know. And I will grab one of the cakes that I always make with leftover yarn, because when you do those cake, you have a winder, you make those cake, you already do the little knot, put them together. You don't have to be changing color, finding the tip and tying them a knot. It's already done, ready to use, and ready to go. So let me get one of those cakes and I will show you. Here's one of those cakes that I already made. And one idea just came to my mind as I'm talking about the cakes. You can grab the leftover yarn that you have, do the cakes, do 2 cakes the same, you know, like already combine the colors, and then grab the other 2 and start working. So you don't have to be, oh, I have to tie a knot to continue. No, make the cakes and grab one strand of each and start watching TV and do your project. Crochet, net, Tunisian crochet, loom netting. I have my looms there that I have to use them. So, you know, so many things that you can do with leftover yarn. Sweater, blanket, cardigans, hats, carpets, everything. So enjoy your leftover yarn, because I had to enjoy mine, because I had tons of yarn, but I had tons of leftover from different projects. Something else that you can make with those leftover yarn is something like this, a shawl like this. Look how gorgeous this look. This is no leftover yarn, the yarn is like that. And this is another one that have the same tone as the green in this one. So this look amazing. It feels amazing for the call outside. If you don't see the tutorial for this, I'm gonna leave the link in here if you're new in my channel. If you don't see in this video, they're very easy to do and very fast. You can do this with leftover as well, and just grab one strand of yarn that you will use in this part as well, and then do the border with it. Double them up and do the border, because it look amazing. This, like I mentioned, this is not leftover, but you can do this, and you can do this for Christmas gifts, and they will never know they are leftover yarn, the project, because they will look amazing, because I have that color that will go from the beginning till the end, plus the border. It will look amazing. Probably you will say, this blog will be just the leftover yarn blog. It's because sometimes you have leftover yarn and you don't know what to do with them, and so many ideas that you can do. Look at this netted hat. It's just 2 strands, one of each color, and you do the hat. This is leftover yarn hat. I just knit that. I had a tutorial here. You don't see in this hat. Nice and warm and look amazing. You can do hats like this for the entire family, for boys or girls, for adults, for grandparents, for friends, for donation, or to sell if you sell your stuff. Just combining 2 colors, placing a pom-pom, and they will look amazing, nice and warm, and you're ready to go. It's incredible the amount of leftover yarn that I have right now here, because I kept them in this basket when I was working in this sweater, but since I finished the sweater, they were there, and I wanted to start with this one, and I want something to just put the 3 ball of yarn, so everything I just bolted in the top of my desk. So now I have to take a couple hours to start winding them up and creating those cakes and put them away for my next project. I want to share, some of my subscribers have shared with me pictures of their projects. Anna Paulina Jensen did this beautiful set, and thank you for sharing with me. Kiss for you and your family. I hope everything is well with you guys, and I wish all the best and happy knitting. And my friend Maria Ruiz is making this beautiful sweater, and she shared a little video clip. I will be sharing that as well. The pictures that you're gonna see somewhere around here is from Anna Paulina Jensen, and the little video clip is from my friend Maria. So if you guys want me to share some of the projects that you guys done, just share the picture with me, send your name, and I will say hi and send you tons of kisses. I'm not joking around. I have tons of leftover yarn here that I have to wind up, except this one that I just grabbed to show you guys, and this one's already made, and this one is the one I'm working with. The rest is leftover that I have to wind them up and create this cake to do something, a project, very soon. Another of my subscribers that shared a beautiful picture with me was Brianne Dyer, but I don't know what I did with the picture of the beautiful piece that you did. If you're watching this vlog, I'm sorry, I have so many files and so many video clips and so many places with pictures in my computer and my phone, and I don't know what I did with that beautiful picture. I'm gonna look for, when I find that picture, I will post it in one of my blogs. You did an amazing job. I'm sorry that I misplaced in so many places that I have picture and video. And one of those is your beautiful picture of the beautiful scarf with the wrap around with the little ears. Mine is the black and white. She did a beautiful job. Sorry, Brianne. If I misplaced your picture, I will post it right away when I find that picture. Big hugs, big kiss for you, and I'm sorry that I misplaced it, but I will try to find it. I will find it, because I know I don't delete my pictures, so I will share it with everyone. That way everyone can see the beautiful job that you did. Well, I'm gonna finish this vlog in here, and remember, I always leave at the end of my videos some links for different tutorials, and I have a playlist that is Ruby Stedman English tutorial, and I have one that is Ruby Stedman Spanish tutorial, videos en español, that they have all my videos separated and by the language. Plus I have other playlists, hat playlist, a scarf playlist, different in Spanish and in English, but it's one channel with both language. You always can go to the main page of my YouTube channel, Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido, that you will find those tutorials in there. Also, you can send me a message if you see any Spanish video you want to see in English. I can send you the link, so it will be very easy to find. So you can search for my channel, Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido or Ruby Stedman. They're both the same channel. It's one channel. It's just that I used to have Ruby Stedman as my name in the channel, and then I decided to change it to Ruby Net Crochet Tejido because that's what I do. I knit, I crochet. But most of my subscribers, I guess, don't realize that my YouTube channel name changed. And I decided to put at the end of the name Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, I put Ruby Stedman between bracket. But I'm deciding if I can change it to the beginning, Ruby Stedman, and then between bracket Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. So I'll be mentioning that in a few blogs. That way you guys, if you see Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, it's me, or Ruby Stedman, it's me. So it's my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this small blog, and share my videos please with friends and family. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. And it is November. I wish you a beautiful November, and that means almost Christmas here, and it's time to knit and crochet. I wish you all the best and send you a kiss for you and your family. Have a beautiful day. Bye.